Welcome, dear students. We are moving to the next chapter in business studies, small business. Already we have gone through lot of aspects related to business. In this module, we are going to learn about what is the concept of small business, what are the problems faced by the small business, what are the different government assistance for small business in India. So let us begin with what is the meaning and the concept of small business. So a business which operates on a small scale and required less capital, less labor and less machines is called small business. The goods are produced on a small scale in these type of industries. This business is operated and managed by the owner of the business. Most probably, small business will be in the form of sole proprietorship. So the business which work with the less capital, less number of laborers and less machines are known as small business. So remember the concept. Then we have to learn the definition. According to Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Development Act 2006, a small scale enterprise defined as on where the investment in plant and machinery is more than 25 lakh but does not exceed 5 crore. So the industry which invests maximum 5 crore in fixed asset is known as minimum 25 lakh is known as small scale business. And most probably two classification is there for small business, traditional industries and modern small industries. Traditional industries and modern small industries. Traditional industries, which is related to handlooms, handicraft works, coir works, sericulture, khadi and village industries. And the most modern form of these small industries are small scale industries and power looms. Lot of examples are there. So this is the classification related to small business. So we have to learn more about the role of small business in rural India. Most of the small business organizations, small scale industries are operating in rural area. So we have to know the role of small business in rural India. The first one is it provides a lot of employment opportunities in rural area. Especially the cottage and rural industries provide employment opportunities in the rural areas. As these are labor-oriented enterprises in Indian rural areas, ample labor is available. Lot of labor is available, not only in a particular state. Lot of peoples are moving from one to another state. So it provides lot of employment opportunity in rural areas. The next one is it improves the economic conditions. It improves the economic condition of the society and the state and the country. So small business provides multiple source of income to the rural households, and small scale industries improves economic condition and the standard of living, the standard of living of people living in those areas. So it helps for improving, enhancing the economic condition of the people. Next one, prevent migration. Migration in the sense shifting on area from one area to another area, mainly from rural area to urban area. So due to the opportunities available in small scale industry, it prevents, it curtails the moving of people from rural area to urban area. So it prevents migration of people from rural area to urban areas. It helps for the utilization of local resources. It is another role. Every time the small scale industries uses raw material as what is the material or what are the resources available in their area. Especially the coir, wood and other products are best example for these type of local resources. So it utilizes maximum all the available resources in their locality for production of products. And the next one is it helps for the equitable distribution of rational income. Equal distribution of national income is possible only through the development of small scale industries. So small scale industries and the cottage industries always ensure equitable, equal distribution of national income all around the India. And this helps to reduce the gap between rich and poor in the country. So most modern small scale industries also helps for the equitable distribution and it helps for increasing the national income also. And the last point indicates balanced regional development is possible with the support of the small business in India. Balanced regional development. From this picture, it is very clear. There is a development of agricultural, the traditional sector plus the urban areas in the same way, the balanced way. Both are progressing. And India gives more importance for this balanced regional development. These enterprises, small business enterprises, are often depend on the local raw material source of production. This way, industries do not just limit themselves to a particular place, but diversity. This helps in balanced regional development. So these are the points that indicates the role of small business in rural India. So remember, the concept of small business indicates the industries which are operating with less capital, less labor, and less number of raw materials. And I hope all these points are very clear. Next video lesson, we are going to learn about the different problems faced by small business in India and what are the sources of assistance from the part of government for the small business in India. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and to share the videos. Thank you. Thank you so much.